Alright guys, so let me pull up a chair. Today we are off to Rome. So I'm going to Rome with Natasha. I think you guys, pretty much most of you guys should know Natasha by now. I haven't been abroad for like a month, which is crazy for me. Last time I was abroad was that business trip to Hamburg, which was around a month ago, literally to this day. And before that, I was Greece. Anyways, I've been trying to stay in London as much as possible, not break up my sort of work sections, my projects, stuff like that. But today we're doing a little weekend getaway to Rome. Never been to Rome before, so yeah, I guess let's roll into the intro now. I know you've been thinking about me, I know you still think about it.
You actually go abroad?
Yep, for sure. So guys, let me give you a little tour of the apartment. So yeah, this is Airbnb, like a cute little place. As always, when they have an espresso machines, I am a happy man. Babe, what area is this? Trastevere. So cool little second room in case Natasha is being annoying. She can sleep there. Little place. Let me show you guys outside the balcony. So yeah, here we are. What do you guys think? Cute little place. So guys, as I said, here for around like 3 nights, I think. Rather than taking a long break, going somewhere like nice tropical, thought I'd do like a little weekend getaway, throwing in extra nights. First time in Rome. Really cool, actually. I had one of my, much farther than my 6-figure club now. So basically this guy, Giovanni, he is, last month he did around 12,000 euros, which is I think around like $14,000, and then this month he should do around $20,000. Now he's an influencer ignited. He actually sent me a message. He lives in Rome. He's also coming to my Meridian Mastermind in 2 weeks. I think I'm gonna bump into him tomorrow, have a little coffee, and kind of pick his brain as to what he's been doing right. And yeah, overall, just kind of meet up with him, which would be cool. Also, guys, I need you to clarify something for me. So I was once told that that thing is used to wipe your butt, but Natasha, wherever she is, said that it's called a foot basin and you use it to clean your feet. I just don't know who to believe anymore, so...
Not verified.
What do you mean you're not verified?
Might be incorrect.
Okay, so let me know if Natasha is correct about the foot basin or whether I'm correct. Okay.
Don't touch
Who's finally ready. Took you a while.
You forgot to put the mic on. Hey, ready, take you a while.
Yeah, and we're doing take 2 now. Gee. Oh. You what, mate? So guys, off on the first day. It's so nice.
I know, it's beautiful.
So yeah, she took like an hour and a half to get ready. You did take like an hour and a half to get ready, didn't you?
Babe, I'm just gonna meditate for 10 minutes.
Yeah, meditation is
my ads manager.
Meditation is a key part of the day. I'm not.
Yeah,
and I have to check my ads manager.
I'm meditative.
Yeah, and what do you want?
I soothe soul.
Well, yeah, the two keys for the day. Ads have to be checked for me and the clients, and meditation. Girlfriends. Yeah, but that comes third. What? I want to see the cactuses.
Why?
I mean, these are all like pretty and stuff like that, but the cactuses.
Like you.
Yeah, but the cactuses are cool.
Yeah, but okay.
I want to go over there. So that was fun. I've had a ton of people ask me why I don't like vlog every day or do like a Gary Vee style type of thing. Do you think I should do it?
No.
Yeah, agreed. Thing is, if I did a vlog every day, it would be cool to begin with, and then it wouldn't be so cool because all my businesses would burn to the ground, and I wouldn't actually get any real work done. So that's not very feasible. And then someone kind of like following me around all day and having a team member deal with it in the background. Guys, I cannot explain how boring my days are, except for when I do shit like this, which is the only time I vlog. Literally it would just be like 6 hours in the morning of me sitting at my desk, grabbing a coffee, maybe like meditating, going to the gym. So Trust me, you guys don't even want to see that. So, when I travel, I do pick up the camera, and I'm a bit rusty with the whole vlogging thing. Yeah. So, just finished up with lunch. We pretty much got half of it for free because of her pretty little smile. That's the best part about Natasha is like, what? I mean, not the best part.
Personality.
But like, one of the great aspects of the aspects of you is basically that we just get so much free stuff just because people seem to like you for some reason.
I don't know why.
I don't know, you just have a wonderful, dazzling personality. So guys, that is the end of the Rome vlog. Now I've pretty much didn't vlog at all because I tried to leave, took camera out on the first day, tried to leave my camera home the rest of the days, and I left my phone at home. Yeah, just basically not trying to take any tech with me and enjoy the beautiful city. So I thought I'd give you sort of like a longer form piece of advice here to end off. So obviously you guys know that I'm here with my beautiful girlfriend Natasha. I actually had one person ask me this around like a week ago, and then another person asked me this around 3 days ago, and then a couple of my friends are kind of going through this right now. Basically the question is like, look, I'm just starting off building my business in entrepreneurship. When should I focus on going out, meeting new guys or girls, maybe getting a boyfriend or a girlfriend, whether you're a girl or boy, and when should I just kind of like transition my focus into having a bit more fun? When I first started my business, literally I think for around like 6-9 months I had zero focus on girls or women whatsoever. I was still partying, I was still going out, but it would be that night, and then after that back to work, back to business. Because I think a relationship is honestly, you really have to have your shit together if you're gonna get into a relationship. There's so many just shitty relationships out there where the two people are just like fueling each other into like this downward spiral where they both come together, they get comfortable, they lock in, and you know, it's not a pretty sight. So to get into a relationship and have it kind of going up in this upward spiral is a tall order. Now, a step before that, going out and partying and having fun, all of that's really, it's good, but I think at the end of the day, like I've said this in one of the other videos, building a business or having a bit more money, I don't really think it helps you that much with guys or girls, whatever it may be. It just helps you in the fact, for example, you can have your own place. You know, one of the people I was talking to, he literally doesn't even have his own, or actually 3 of the people I was talking to, they all don't have their own place. And I'm like, dude, focus on getting your own place first, because that's just gonna make your life so much easier when you go out and you try to build like your dating life and stuff like that. It doesn't work because you don't have your own place. Sometimes you just don't even have money to like go on dates, even if it's just casual dates. Like literally one of the people asking, like, he's broke, you know, so he can't afford to spend even $30-40 a week on going on dates and shit like that. So that's number one. Number two is just like the person you become on the other side of building a business and entrepreneurship. I think entrepreneurship by far is just like the biggest self-discovery process you'll ever go through. So I think it's cool, like when you discover yourself through entrepreneurship, that's just going to carry over into your dating life. And then I think the cool thing is, for example, say if you get into a relationship, that is also such a like self-discovery process, because so many of like your chinks and like your little flaws and like some emotional baggage you might have, or some of like the little things that trigger you, all of that stuff comes to light. And you know, it really is just like a self-discovery process. So as I said, with business, it's really cool because I think the person you're going to become on the other side of that is much better. So why not just build up your business? Now you've got a little bit of leeway in terms of money. Maybe you can get your own place. Now you can afford to go on dates and not even worry about it. Then if you get into a relationship, you know, and if you want to, and you know, you care about the other person, you can do amazing trips. Like I remember with my ex-girlfriend, like obviously I had just zero money. So there wasn't that much, like there was a lot that we could do. And there was a lot that we wanted to do, but it's just like there was no financial means to do it. Like I would have loved to, for example, my ex, like take her abroad and stuff like that, but that just wasn't possible. So it's really cool that this time around, you know, I can go to Rome and Paris and Tenerife and all these beautiful places, and that is only possible because for like 6 to 9 months. And for some people it'll take less time, for some people it'll take longer, but I just had zero interest or focusing girls. My only focus was the business. Guys, that's really my opinion on that, because it's funny, because I think a lot of guys, like us as guys, I can't speak for girls, a lot of time we just build businesses because we think it's gonna get us more girls. We make money just because we think it's gonna get more girls. Now we say we won't, we'll say it's something a bit more noble, but a lot of time when we're first starting out, that's kind of like the driver. Even though I've said it before, I'll stick by it, I really don't think money makes that much of a difference when it comes to, you know, attracting a girl or a partner or whatever it may be. So yeah, I think it's funny that we go into it a lot of time just expecting that once we get this thing sorted out, like once we get a nice watch and a $4,000 Brioni suit, like we're gonna walk into the club and every single girl gonna drop their drink and just come over to us. Honestly, it doesn't work like that. It's the same thing when guys go to the gym. Like, you know, I've been going to the gym like 4 years now. I freaking love the gym, but like, I've had more compliments from guys about my biceps than girls. So it's like, you know, I think it's funny, some of the things us guys do in order to get a broader spectrum of women in our life and stuff like that. So guys, as I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lovely weekend. As I said, I tried to put my phone away. I think if you guys are following me on Instagram, you would have seen I have 2 phones now, and I think I can definitely talk about in the next video or one of the next few videos that I do why I actually have 2 phones, and if you haven't seen the full thing on Instagram. So yeah, guys, early morning, I'm groggy, I'm tired, and I have to head off to the airport. So before I go, I want to ask you a question. Where should I travel to next? So I went to Rome, and I actually had so many people just flood my DMs with like, dude, I'm in Rome, I live in Rome, and they sent me like all these cool places to go to, which was awesome. I actually went to a lot of them. So where should I go next? Where should I travel to next? Really curious to hear. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.